everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys a chit chat video of the Walgreens ad preview from January 21st to January 27th. Again, this week is not the greatest. I don't know why they're kind of slacking on deals, but I'm here to show you guys some deals that you guys can get. It's going to be a great week to stock up on laundry detergent, so just letting you guys know on that. Right here they got Purex laundry detergent on sale for $1.99. Hopefully a lot of you guys got it a lot cheaper at CVS this past week, but there's that to show you guys. We got Quilter Northern or Angel Soft. It looks like it's going to be $5.99, and there's an online coupon for $1.25 off, making it $4.74. The thing is, it looks like there's 6 rolls or 6 or 12 rolls for the Quilter Northern, so it's an okay deal. We got the Russell Stouffer's, 39 cents. It does say a limit of 3. You guys can just clip that to your card or just have the cashier scan it. But 39 cents for a little, little gifts for Valentine's Day is a great deal. Right here they got some candy deals where, like right here, they got coupon savings, and it looks like we're gonna be getting $1 off a 2 coupon. So these are 2 for $6. You guys use that. You want to buy 4 of them. Use 2 of those coupons. You guys would pay $10. But then right here, if you guys spend over $10, you guys will get 3,000 points, which makes it to be about $7 for all 4 of them, or $1.75 a bag, which is a pretty good deal. Right here we got extra gum for 75 cents. We do have those coupons from the 1/7 Red Plum for 50 cents off of 2. So you guys can use 1 coupon and buy 2 of them and get them for 50 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal on gum. A lot of food deals, but nothing that's really popping out. They got this Special K 2 for $5. And then if you guys spend $10, you get 2,000 points. But there also is a coupon. I know there's $1 off a 2 coupon that we think we just got about 2 Sundays ago. Plus, I know there's a deal where if you buy so many boxes, I think it's 3 boxes, you guys can get a free water bottle. So I might check that out. I think my husband might eat that stuff. Otherwise, if not, I know somebody who will. The next deal we got is Ziploc baggies. They've been going on sale a lot lately. 2 for $5.50. There's usually $1 off a 2 coupon. You guys would pay $4.50, but then you get a $1 register reward, making them $3.50. Not the greatest deal, but hey, if you guys really need baggies. Dixie plates are buy one get one free. We'll probably get a $1 off a 2 coupon in this Sunday's paper. Plus, I know sometimes they have deals in Savings Star, so if you guys are interested in that. Extra laundry detergent is $1.49. The OxyClean is going to be $3.99, and then it looks like we'll be getting $2 off coupons. Sorry, it totally restarted on me. Okay, so the OxyClean will be getting $2 off coupons. We'll make it $1.99. I know a lot of you guys enjoy getting that. White Cloud bath tissue, 6 or 12 rolls are going to be $3.99, and then we'll have a $1 off 50 coupon. I know there's some coupons that you guys can print on coupons.com right now, making it $2.49, which could be a decent deal. Kleenex is buy one get one free. We do have those 30-cent off coupons if you guys wanted to use that. The next deal right here is Irish Spring and soft soap. It looks like it's going to be the bar soap and the hand soap and the body wash. But I know we're getting Irish Spring coupons for sure. I don't remember about the soft soap, but Irish Spring we're getting 50 cents off of the bars and $1 off the body wash. So that could be a deal if you guys want to stock up on soap. I mean, it's not going to be the greatest deal, but we haven't seen a good Irish Spring soft soap deal in a while. Here we got Lady Speed Stick and Speed Stick. They're $1.99. It's going to be buy one get one free, which we have a coupon for in this Sunday's paper. You guys will end up just paying $1.99 for 2 of them, making them $1 a piece. Right Guard is $3.49. We're going to be getting coupons for buy 2 get 1 free. So there's that deal. Not much else going on with a lot of this stuff. So not much. It's going to be a slow week again with this area. Not a lot of the great deals. They do the medicine thing again, where if you spend $25, you get 5,000 points, but I just don't see very much deals really popping out at you. They're having the boost deal, but I've been seeing CVS having a whole lot better deals than Walgreens. Glade is going to be $4.99, and then I know we have some coupons. Plus, if you guys buy one, you get $1 register reward. So there's that if you guys are interested in that. And then now we're at the last page of the Walgreens ad, which is just not the greatest deal, but they got candy, buy one, get one 50% off. Persil is going to be $4.99. We are getting $3 off coupons to make it $1.99. General Mills cereal, 2 for $4. I know there's $1 off a 2 coupon in coupons.com. M&M's, 2 for $4. Kellogg's cereal, 2 for $5. So a lot of like some cereal deals and a lot of laundry detergent deals, but I hope to find some other hidden sales that we don't know about, because it'd be nice to get some, you know, more deals. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button so I know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.